Welcome to this tutorial on using Google Gemini for educational purposes. Today, we're going to explore how you can utilize Gemini to create engaging study tools, quizzes, and explanations that make learning interactive and efficient. To get started, let's take a look at an instant win. Using Gemini to generate a quick quiz from any text. Simply input the content you want to study and let Gemini create a customized quiz for you. This first step can significantly boost your learning process. So go ahead and type a topic you want to learn about and watch how quickly Gemini can help you. Now, let's dive deeper into what these features can do for you in your educational journey. Gemini is designed to assist students and educators alike. If you're a student struggling to grasp complex subjects or an educator looking for innovative ways to engage your students, Gemini has you covered. Its capabilities in natural language understanding and context awareness allow it to generate quizzes that match your learning style and reinforce key concepts. This is especially beneficial for subjects that require repetition and practice, like math or science. With Gemini, you can enhance retention and make studying more enjoyable. Let's explore how this works in practice. Here's a trick that can transform your study sessions. To create a quiz, simply type in a prompt like, "Create a quiz about the water cycle." Gemini will analyze the content and generate a set of questions for you. When the results come up, you'll see questions and multiple choice answers tailored to the topic. If the quiz doesn't meet your expectations, try specifying the number of questions or the difficulty level, such as make it easy with 5 questions. This helps guide Gemini to create a quiz that best fits your needs. Now, let's see this in action on screen. Next, let's explore how to use Gemini for deeper understanding. If you come across a tricky topic, like quantum physics, simply ask, "Explain quantum physics like I'm a high school student." Gemini will break it down into digestible parts, making it easier for you to comprehend complex theories. Keep an eye on terms and definitions that seem unclear. If something isn't quite right, you can adjust your request. For instance, if Gemini uses jargon, you can say, "Simplify this explanation further." Let's test this out and see how Gemini responds. Now, let's look at how Gemini can serve as a study tool. Use the Generate Flashcards command by entering a prompt like, "Create flashcards for the key concepts of World War II." Gemini will output a set of flashcards that you can use for revision. A common mistake here is to give a vague prompt, such as just typing flashcards. If you do this, Gemini might not provide the specific content you need. Instead, be precise about what you want. If the output isn't focused enough, refine your request by adding more context or keywords, like focus on the major battles. This will enhance the quality of the flashcards. Let's see how this process works. Now that you know the basics, here are some advanced tips. Use Gemini's context awareness to build on previous conversations. If you've already discussed a topic, you can ask follow-up questions, and Gemini will remember the context. This interconnectedness is what sets Gemini apart from other models. Additionally, you can access multiple modes: text, visual, and audio, enabling you to learn in different ways. For instance, you can summarize an audio lecture by inputting the transcript into Gemini. To speed things up, use shortcuts like typing summarize before pasting your text. This will help you get concise results quickly. Let's wrap up with this final tip. To recap, we've explored how to use Google Gemini for creating customized quizzes, obtaining clear explanations, and utilizing engaging study tools like flashcards. The next steps are simple. Start experimenting with these features in your studies. Whether you're working on homework, preparing for exams, or just curious about a subject, Gemini can be your go-to educational assistant. Remember to refine your prompts for better results and leverage the unique strengths of Gemini to enhance your learning experience. Happy studying!